Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Here is a novelty lock that could be used to prevent underage drinking or someone enjoying your port without you. It's sold by Luo store on Amazon and costs next to nothing. Considering the low cost, it actually feels pretty solid. The combination is dialed in and the release button can then fully depress and release the latch. To change the combination, depress the little switch underneath the mechanism. Here I am setting a random code. I then close the lock and scramble the wheels. I then check to make sure 240 no longer functions. Then I insert my feeler tool on the right side of the wheels, feeling for the gate. There are no false gates. The gate is huge and the tool gives a definite response. Once all the gates are found and aligned, it is then simply a case of rotating the dials and testing for the open each cycle. Thanks for watching.